Alright guys, girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm having fun with a song from George Harrison, Give Me Love, Give Me Peace on Earth. And yes, I love this song, and that is very clear. But what's not clear for me, at least, is this song from a movie or so? I'm not sure. I think the Beatles are involved here in some way. Yeah, leave me a comment if you know something about this song. I just came across it and just fell for it. So let's learn it. That's the most important thing. We're gonna do that with capo on third, absolute best scenario. With that, we have a couple of chords, yes, but it's very straightforward, so not too hard with the capo on third. So I'll put that on there. Let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with D. Okay, so D goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the D major 7 next. So what you do here is to place a short little bar on the second fret. You push down the E, the B, and the G string, and you also incorporate the open D. That's the D major 7. We have the E minor. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We also got the A7. And that goes open A, second D, open G, second B, and open E. Then we have that G minor. That's a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the third fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add fifth on A and fifth on D. We got the C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And we also have the G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. That's the chords for the what I believe is the chorus. That's how the song starts, at least that part where you're saying "Give Me Love." Then we have the verse play or whatever. I'm not sure if that is a verse or so. We need 3 more chords to handle that. So that will be the D7. That goes open D, second G, first B, and second E. We got the G7, third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and first E. And finally we have the E7. And that goes open E, second A, open D, first G, and then either go open B or what I do is the third B and open E. Alright, so there we have the chords. Now let's go into the strumming. Let's start with the first chord, the D. So one string around goes like this. Okay, so it's first a down, then down up, and then up down up. Very common strumming pattern. So down, down, up, down, up. Couple of rounds. Alright, so let's go into the first, what I call is the chorus part, Give Me Love. So we're gonna play 1 string around per chord in the following order: D, D major, 7, then E minor, then A7, that's the first half. Then you continue with G minor, A7, C, and G, and that's the second half. So D, D major, E minor, A7, G minor, A7, C, and G. You're gonna play all that for 2 rounds. I'm gonna take down the tempo a little bit so you really can follow along here, because it goes pretty fast here since it's only 1 string round per chord. So I'm gonna take down the tempo a little bit and play 1 round for you. So D, D major, E minor, A7, G minor, A7, C, and G. Again. And that's the second round, and that's what you're gonna play as well. 2 rounds of that, and then comes in the lyrics, "Oh my Lord," what I think is maybe the verse, not sure, but anyway, that is D. You're gonna start with that as well. So 2 string rounds of that D, then 2 string rounds of the D major 7, then 2 string rounds of the D7, and 2 string rounds of the G7. Okay, you play that for 2 times. So again, D2, D major 2, D7 2, and G7 2, and then you're gonna end with E7 2, A7 1 plus 7 downs. And these 7 downs, not the easiest thing to get the timing right here, but yeah, you have to listen for a time and practice, okay? And I'm pretty new as well still, so I'm not 100% there where the timing comes in. I think I'm pretty much very close or so. But yeah, it's not very obvious and easy. So you have to listen for it and practice again, like I said. But anyway, everything else, D2, D major 2, D7 2, G7 2, all that for 2 rounds. And then E7 2, A7 1 plus the 7 downs. It goes like this. Time, so D, 2, G major, 2, D7, 2, G7, 2, and E7, 2, A7 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then chorus again. Really like to play this song. It's a simple strumming pattern, simple chords, and I love how the chord switches here. And yeah, overall a great song. Thank you for watching here. George Harrison's "Give Me Love, Give Me Peace on Earth." More very important things there. But anyway, let's have a good one on this, practice, and leave a comment if you know anything about this song. I would really like to love it. I don't have time to Google and go into very deep on every details or so. So yeah, appreciate that. Hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.